Welcome to Create You Homeschooling Science Series. Cheapest way of travel.
17th century, there was a famous French writer named Bergerac. One day, Bergerac had an amazing idea. He was pretty sure that he has invented the cheapest way of travel. He thought, can get into a hot air balloon and fly a few meters up into the sky and stay mid-air, while the earth below him continues to rotate. After a few hours, he thought he can descend down onto the earth. And wow! He will land in different countries. Why is it? Because while he was afloat in the sky, the earth continued to rotate. Amazing idea. But will this really work? Unfortunately, no. It doesn't work. Bergerac's idea will not work due to two reasons. One, the Earth's atmosphere is always part of our Mother Earth, as it is an integral part of our planet. It always rotates along. And here is the second reason. Even if our Earth doesn't have an atmosphere, it always has a moment of inertia due to its rotation. And this is the reason why satellites revolve around the Earth in orbit. So, unfortunately, Bergerac's cheapest way of travel is practically not possible. We still have to use airplanes. I hope you liked the video and I will come up again with another interesting science story in my next video. Please do like and subscribe if you would like to follow my science stories.